Hello everyone, I'm Janice from Partner Food Company. Today we are going to our corporate factory specialized in cooking island. Let's go to see it. This is production line, including laser cutting, bending, welding, fitting and packing area. We are always committed to using stainless steel 304 rather than 201. This is the equipment showroom with different kinds of cooking stations. They are a luxury symbol of four-star hotels and opening kitchens. It helps to attract more customers. For complete kitchen solution, we produce efficient equipment with one-stop purchase services. Be your best partner makes your kitchen better.